Hello everyone. In this video we will see how can we create and manage tabs in dashboard. This is in continuation with the previous video where we have seen that how can we create dashboard from the scratch. If you haven't seen that, please click on the top right corner. Let's quickly jump to ServiceNow. Here I am again logged in as Annabelle Koger. In the first video we had created a dashboard for her, so let's quickly go to that same dashboard. I'll go to self-service and dashboards. I'll click on my personal dashboards. So the existing dashboard opens. Now to create a new tab, you have to click on these three lines and say create tab. And you can see a new tab has been created. You can click on this pencil icon to change the name of the dashboard. I can say my personal dashboard tab 2 and I'll click enter, and now you can again add widgets here. I'll click on the plus sign and select reports, and I will be able to see the reports which are visible to Annabelle Koger. Right now there is a filter of created by me and sort by updated. If you remove this filter, you will be able to see all the reports which are visible to Annabelle. Right now I have created two new reports which are of graph type, and the other one is the donut. If you don't know how to create reports in ServiceNow, please click on the top right corner. I'll click on this report and I will add this, and you can see a new report has been added to the tab. I'll go back and I'll again click on this, and the second report should be added to the tab again. I can resize them from here so they both are visible in the same row. And then I can move it here. So this is how you can add another tab and add reports in the dashboard. Moving on, you can also delete this dashboard. If you click on this, it will ask for the confirmation and this whole dashboard will be deleted. Alternatively, if you want to delete only a tab, you can go on the tab and click on this delete button, and again it will ask for the confirmation and it will delete only the tab. If you want to rename your dashboard, you can go to the dashboard properties and you can rename this. For example, I will make this P as capital, and you can again restrict it to some roles if you want, and then click on update. So as soon as you click on update, you can see the name of the dashboard has been changed. If you had shared this dashboard to some person, for example we had shared this to Fred Luddy, an email would have been already sent to him. But again, if you want to send the URL, you can click here again and copy the dashboard URL and send that to Fred Luddy over the chat or over the email as well. So these are some more of the properties of the dashboards. Hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel.